Welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. Today, I want to share with you a very delicious chicken and onion recipe that I know you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. Prepare this delicious chicken onion recipe. These are my ingredients: salt, black pepper, garlic powder, parsley, mustard in powder, of course the chicken breast, 1 red onion, and 1 zucchini. This is everything we need to make this amazing chicken onion recipe. So let's get started. First things first, getting ready all the spices. I am using mustard powder and I'm using 1 teaspoon. 1 teaspoon of all the spices: black pepper, salt, parsley, and garlic powder. Yes, I am using 1 teaspoon. Of course, I have little pieces of chicken breast that I'm going to start adding here in this plate. Some pieces have bone in and some don't, but I really love this combination with little pieces with bone and little pieces with just chicken breast. Of course, I am going to add all the seasonings in here. This is going to make the chicken so delicious with an amazing flavor. It's going to incorporate the dry ingredients. This is everything we need. I am going to put it aside and I am going to continue with my veggies. I have 1 zucchini that I'm going to take the ends off, cut it in half, and then just slice away. And I have a red onion and I'm only using half of the red onion. I really want these two combinations to look amazing with the chicken. Purple and green. Look at this. I am ready to take it to the stove. On my pan, I have a little bit of vegetable oil. I am going to add first the veggies, the onion and the zucchini. And to this, I am going to add a little bit of seasoning. I am going to add salt, black pepper, and garlic. I really want the onion and the zucchini to absorb those amazing spices. Don't overcook your onion and your zucchini. My pan is in high heat. I'm only going to leave it here for about 1 to 2 minutes. No more than that. You don't want to overcook the onion or the zucchini. They're going to get really soft and even mushy. So you just want it al dente. After you start receiving that aroma of the onion, okay, it's time to remove everything from the hot pot. So here I'm just going to make sure I remove everything. I'm going to add the chicken. I'm going to cover it for about 2 minutes and then I'm ready to flip. It's going to cook in the same juices. I'm not adding any oil. I want to cover it and continue cooking. Cover for another 3-4 minutes. When the chicken is golden brown and you don't see any liquid in the bottom anymore, then just flip it over. Make sure that you get it nice and crispy from the outside. And once this is just looking the way I have it here, then you are ready to add your veggies right on the top. When you add your veggies, turn off the stove. You no longer want to cook the veggies. So turn it off. And if you got to this part of the video and you like and you love this recipe, like, subscribe, and share. Look how amazing this looks. The colors just look perfect. Green and purple and the crispy chicken breast. Amazing. am completely done with this amazing chicken. Chicken with onion and zucchini, just amazing. This is the part I really love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. And you want to make sure that everything is al dente. Excuse me. Mmm, mmm. So moist, so delicious. Let me tell you, the chicken is really moist, really absorb the flavors of the mustard and all those spices. The veggies, al dente. If you liked and loved this amazing recipe, like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I will stay enjoying this amazing chicken. Let me tell you, make it, enjoy it with your beautiful family. See you soon. Bye-bye.